Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Color Transfer AI in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into using Color Transfer under Neural Filters. So let's get started! So here in our document, I prepared here two images. Well, one is this portrait image that has a teal and orange color grade. And on the other image, I also prepare here a landscape image where you will notice here that this one has a turquoise color grading effect. And our goal here is to transfer the color of the turquoise color grading into this teal and orange portrait. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to go to the layers panel, click on the background layer to make it active for us to apply the neural filter. Once it's already active, let's go to the menu bar, go to Filter, then choose on Neural Filters. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Moving back, now the next step we're going to do here is we're going to apply the color transfer. So under the Neural Filters panel, we're going to see here different filters. Let's go to the color, and under it, you're going to find here the color transfer. So to apply the effect or to make it active, all you have to do is to click on this toggle switch over here. The effect is already applied. So under the setting of it, so you can see here presets. Well, you can use different presets here as our preference for the color transfer. In our case, because we prepare another preference image, so let's go to custom. Then, under the reference image, yes, this one, select an image, just click this arrow down. Then let's choose on the other image on the other window. Okay, actually it's this one. Okay, so once I did that, it's already here. See? And not only that, it automatically applied the effect on our original image, right? When I trying to notice that this image has a bright luminance, okay, so under the setting of it, I want to preserve that. So there's a thing here, it says here preserve luminance. Okay, so I'm just going to click this one, all right, to apply. Okay, so once I did that, now it's sharpened, looking much better, isn't it? Okay, and then you can also adjust other settings here. All right, so if you want to adjust the color grade, color strength, well, let's just give this one a try. All right, let's see how it works. Okay, so when I increase that, well, the saturation is too much. So, all right, let's try to decrease the color strength. See what happens. All right. So when I did that, the color strength, it's something like the effect was decreased, right? The turquoise effect is decreased, right? So let's just preserve that to the amount of 0. So press Control plus C to undo. Okay. And then for the saturation, if you want to add saturation or decrease the saturation, well, you can also adjust it here, right? You can increase that or decrease this one. So in our case, so I'm going to decrease the saturation to negative just 10. All right. See, let's see how it works. For the U, let's see how it works. Okay, actually, if I try to adjust this one, it you can turn the image into another effect. Okay. All right. But in our case, we're just going to set this one to 0. Transfer the color of the landscape image. Okay, and then for the brightness, well, it's up to you if you want to add a brightness or decrease that. All right. But in our case, I want to give this one 10, brightening the image, then that's much better. Okay, and then for the output, I'm going to set this one to new layer for us to see the before and after. Okay, and then hit OK. All right, and there you have it. Now let me show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to use Color Transfer AI in Photoshop.